Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Long Grove, local and long distance movers near me. We give you plenty of options for your long distance move, including packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. A long distance move can be rather stressful, and we provide the right services from professionals to take care of some of that stress away. While we can't help you with the stress of moving in and getting settled into your new city, we can get your things there sooner. We need to complete a local move. You need the right local Illinois moving company. It might not seem necessary with such a short move. However, without the help of professionals, you have to do all the heavy lifting. Plus, it will likely take far more time to move than if you hired a professional team. 3 Movers streamlines the moving process for you. We get you to your new location faster and with more energy. You don't have to lift any heavy boxes or furniture, and our team can complete even the largest moves in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Long Grove moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.